quick question though. You think that the economy is going to recover next year?
I don't know. I mean, like I said, everything has a trickle down effect. We're a global economy now. Everything works hand in hand. So if one part of the system starts to it doesn't have grease, then eventually it will trickle down to the other part.
What about
So
the stock market?
like we said, the stock market is disconnected from the economy.
Economy, exactly.
It has nothing to do with one another, as we can tell. So, but we'll be fine. I mean, I don't think because you as like have you has I don't know if you've seen, but like some airline stocks have been doing well over the past week or two. But
Mm-hmm.
I still think that industry is kind of questionable. I mean, we have a little bit more. We can have a little bit more safety in it now because of the vaccine, but it's just comes down to like what's really gonna happen. So
You know,
yeah,
but what about cuz what about people in exploring like research and passive income and reading?
what about it?
What's the significance to you?
Significance? Being able to do what I want to do, grow my hair how I want to grow it, go where I want to go when I want to go. But just freedom. That's the significance.
How
Freedom.
often do you read though?
Not often, not as much as I should.
How many books do you think you're gonna read next year? I put in my 2021
I'm
goals.
gonna read next year.
Oh,
I'm gonna read 12.
yeah, me too. I swear to you that I have it legit on my 2021 on my iPhone notes that I'm gonna read 12 books because you get why it's 12 trying to do one a month. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
Obviously,
one of my
go over, but reading just I feel like to be honest, I feel like we definitely went on a tangent. I might quote the earlier video. Josh goes on a rant, but I think that if anything this year hasn't taught us, it's that we have to continue to learn as much as we can, try to expand our mind, because the world isn't slowing down for anybody. So
no.
we have to read, we have to research. I mean, we don't have to, but if you want to continue to keep up with everything that's going on, keep up and get up to speed. You want to make sure you're reading your books, doing your research on how to gain more income. Continue to budget. You know, we've talked about that before. Save your money. And I know a lot of people can't save money right now. If you can't save money, try to pay down your debts because US is built on debt and you don't want to be in a debt trap.
Nope.
Yeah, it's cool. So many topics we got. So many things.
Even though people make debt work for them, those people are doing really well with the debt they have.
Yeah, we're just talking real estate debt. What type of
Yeah,
debt
like
you talking about?
business loan debts and all that. That's good debt.
That's good debt.
But you don't want to be in some like credit card debt where you maxed it out already and you're paying like 24%.
That's the collector's debt. Um,
Yeah.
that's the American dream debt, to be honest. And we're all doing that. And to be honest, sometimes there's some forms of debts that can be bad real estate debts. And I don't mean real estate on the making bands make sure you're getting your income. I'm talking about people signing up for these 30-year leases and become house poor and really couldn't afford it, but they went into it because they wanted a home. You know what I'm saying? So there's just a lot of factors to consider. You know, and people should consider how stable you are currently, and can you afford to go into the steps that you go into. That's just a whole nother animal, man. There's just so many things going on right now.